Today, we're going to be unboxing a Don Pedros Veggie Burrito. It's the first time I've had this one, and it's not based on any tip, but rather it was just a place to stop while running errands today to try and figure out how to dissect a burrito. So, here we can see the bag, a nice thank you message written on it, a nice tinfoil wrapping, still pretty warm even after quite a trip home. Got some pepper packets in case you want to add some flavoring. Looks like some kind of semi-translucent yellow salsa of some kind. Looks like a little bit of spice to it. And we have a red salsa as well. So that's what you can expect from the package. So now we're going to take a look at the burrito itself, and here we go. So let's go ahead and see what we get upon unwrapping the burrito. Looks like we have an errant chili of some kind there. Oh, okay. As you can see, kind of a nice texture to it. Clearly a cooked tortilla. Put it down there. So now we'll begin with an incision. So we're just going to probe around in there and see what we can see. Looks like a bean, actually. That's a bean. We've got a nice layer here of rice and bean mix. Ooh. Let's get a look at one of these things. That looks like a green bell pepper. Looks like some mushroom material. Maybe some zucchini or yep. Red bell pepper. Looks like a corn kernel. just open it up here. Looks like a piece of corn. You can see that's about it. There's not much to this burrito. It appears to be mushrooms, bell pepper, onion, carrots, rice and beans, and tortilla. Unfortunately, these ingredients don't look particularly great. They seem to be diced random stuff thrown together. So, I don't know. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you enjoyed learning about Don Pedro's burritos, click like. And if you want to see more, click subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.